Okay, hello to all. So today we are going to unbox the new device, new POS device, Sunmi D3 Pro. So let's do this. Keep this aside, and here's our main device. Unwrap. Okay, as I'm seeing this, display is very wide. It's 15.6 inches display, and finishing is too good. Looks sturdy also. It's going to be flippable also. Okay. Very slim and very sleek design. Let's check the another component, which is stand. Okay. It looks heavy as it is metal. The stand is metallic finish. Stand is in metallic finish. Okay. And there are some user manuals also, which will help to assemble this. Okay. Everything is good. Okay, so guys, our Sunmi D3 Pro is ready to use. All the components are assembled now. So let's unlock this, and here is a fingerprint sensor also. The screen is very wide. It's a 15.6 inch screen. Let's unlock this by entering the pin. Okay, let's first check the configuration. So this is based on 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage, and processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon, and this is a full HD screen. Now let's on the Turns app POS application. So this is how the look of our Turns POS application in this new device. Let's check some features. Okay, the order hub we are checking. Okay. Works very finely. Let's check the order details also. Yes, we can check the orders details. One more thing, we should check the customer list. How does it look in this device? Okay, so because this is very wide screen and very crispy, so it looks good to use our Turns app POS in this new device. Okay, so it's very good and very finely used for laundromat applications. Okay guys, for more updates, do connect with us. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.